Right, so today I'm going to be making some mango chutney. We make and consume a lot of chutneys here in TNT. So for this recipe, I prefer to use rose or long mango. This is rose mango, and I prefer to use it when it's full. That is when it's reached about the midway point of the ripening stage. As you can see, this one here is very nice and full. He's probably, to be honest, a little past the midway point, but that's okay. We could work with it. Right, so the reason, or one of the main reasons why I prefer to use it when the mangoes are full is because you get that perfect balance of acidity and sweetness. Too green will be a bit too acidic, too sweet, or too ripe, sorry, and it'll be a bit too sweet. How do I know when the mango is full? Well, I know when it's reached its full size and the skin of the mango has gone from a dull green to a nice bright, much more glossier green with some added color. You might see like some yellow, some reds, depending on the mango you're using. And if you don't have rose or long mango, feel free to use any mango that you may have access to. The only thing I would say is that you definitely don't want to use frozen mango, as to me when I use that, because it's been frozen, the solids have separated from the liquids during the freezing process. So you end up with a much more grainier, separated consistency at the end, as opposed to using it when it's fresh. Right, so I'm gonna go ahead and add all my ingredients to the blender. First, I'm starting with the mango. Right, so next I'm adding water. Water helps me out with the overall thickness of the chutney, as well as to help balance out the flavors. After that, I'm gonna add some granulated sugar to add a bit of sweetness to the chutney and help balance out the acidity of the mango and the other ingredients. After that, we're adding some Chadon Beni, because we're in TNT, and we put this in everything. Garlic and some hot pepper going in next. Garlic for added flavor, as well as to help balance out the sweetness, and hot pepper because what's chutney without a little hot pepper? Salt to further enhance all the flavors. Roasted Geera cumin powder to add depth and a savory flavor. This also enhances the overall aroma of the chutney, and some Caripulee leaves or curry leaves. And blend on medium speed until we reach the desired thickness. You may, depending on your preference, you may want to add a little water if you like it a lot smoother, or a little less if you like it chunkier. Right, so at this time I'm going to just scrape down sides of the blender, check the consistency, give it a little taste. You're tasting for salt, you're tasting for sugar, you're tasting for acidity. All mangoes are different, so if the mango is a bit too acidic, you may want to add a little sugar. If it's a little too sweet, you might want to add a little more vinegar. If it's too thick, you might want to add a little more water. But once you reach your desired consistency, transfer it into a tightly sealed container and store in the refrigerator.